our colleagues, welcome our parents. Hello, my green heroes. Today we are going to summarize our lesson. Let's think green and be nature-wise. Մեր դասի նպատակներն են ներմուծել բնության, բնական ռեսուրսների և շրջակա միջավայրի նկատմամբ պատասխանատվության գաղափարը, ձևավորել պատասխանատու վարքային և հոգատար վերաբերմունք երկիր մոլորակի նկատմամբ։ Թեմայի ավարտին աշակերտը պետք է իմանա թեմային առնչվող բառապաշարը, տրված քերականական նյութը։ Now, dear learners, let's start our lesson titled Let's Think Green and Be Nature-Wise. Can you hear anything?
May I say?
Say, Alex.
Yes, birds.
Thank you, Alex.
May I say?
Say, Alex.
Wind.
Wind. Yes, Alex. Alex, thank you. Say.
Water.
Say, Diana.
Yes, the sound of our planet breathing, but sometimes the earth howls because of pollution. Today the earth has sent us a message. It says, "Dear students, thank you for learning how to protect me."
So let's see how much you remember from our unit. Now look at this picture. What lesson was this?
May I say?
Say.
The poem I Wonder by Jim Kirby.
It's good for you, Ellen. Who remembers lines from this unit?
May I
Say, Diana.
I wonder why the grass is green.
It's good for you. Say.
And why the wind is never seen.
It's good for you, Susanna. Say, Vika.
And makes the lightning flash about.
It's good for
May
you,
I say?
Vika. Now, what do you see here?
May I say?
Say, Nale.
Rainforest.
What else? Say. Trees, it's good for you. Next.
May I say?
Say,
Animals.
animals, it's good for you. Lesson. What did you learn about this lesson?
They give us oxygen.
It's good for you, Odames.
May I say?
Say, Ellen.
So they are the lungs of the earth.
It's good for you, Ellen. It's good for you. Now, what's wrong in this picture? Say,
There is smoke.
there is smoke. It's good for you.
May I say?
Say,
Trash.
fresh. It's good
May I
for
say?
you. Say, Abdul. What?
Pollution.
It's good for you. Pollution. Now, children, who can use the word pollution in a sentence? Who can use the word pollution in a sentence?
May I say?
Say, Ellen.
Pollution is bad for people and animals.
Excellent sentence. An equal star for you. Thank you, Ellen. What does this mean? Say, Anahit.
Learn about reuse, recycle.
It's good for you, Anahit. Now, dear students, I have some magic words with me. When you hear a word, say something connected to it. Say,
Recycle.
equal star for each team. Thank you for your great participation. Thank you. Now, dear children, close your eyes for a few seconds. Imagine you are in a green forest.
Birds.
Say, Alan. What can you see? Say, trees. What else? Birds. Yes. What can you hear? Say, wind. How do you feel? Say, now let's move a little. This game is called Stand Up for Grammar.
We plant trees in spring. We are planting trees now.
I shall give each team a picture. You must find 3 problems here and give 3 solutions. Now are you ready?
Yes. We have found 3 problems in this picture.
Uh-huh.
There is too much traffic on the road.
Uh-huh. And
And
what is your solution?
we have 3 solutions.
Susanna?
Don't drive your car when it's not necessary.
Thank you, Vika. Thank you. Uh-huh.
Let's plant more trees in the city to clean the air.
Our slogan is saves our seas, lakes and rivers. We have found 3 problems in this picture.
Our slogan is protect animals, plants and soil. We have found 3 problems in this picture.
Our slogan is use the sun and wind to give clean power. We have found 3 problems in this picture.
You have earned your eco star.
Our next mission is even more exciting. Every great movement needs a campaign. We have created posters that teaches others how to protect planet and think green and be wise.
Uh-huh. Thank you, Gianna. Now, please.
Clean Air Campaign. Our campaign is called Breathe Clean, Live Green.
Our campaign is keep water blue and true.
Our campaign is Green Hearts for Earth.
We plant trees.
We protect animals.
Love Nature Park.
We promise to love nature.
Thank you. Thank you, Team Earth.
Our slogan is save power every hour. We turn off lights, we use sunlight, we don't waste electricity.
We have prepared chant, mini skit, poem and rap to show our love for our planet.
What have you prepared?
We have prepared plan.
Uh-huh.
We breathe the air so clean, so bright. We keep our sky both day and night.
What have you prepared?
We have prepared chants.
Ah.
We have prepared mini skit.
Now, please. Uh-huh.
Oh no, we threw rubbish in the park. Stop, let's recycle, plant trees.
Now look, it's beautiful again. We are protecting the earth.
Uh-huh. Thank you, Team Earth.
We have prepared rap. Save power every hour, turn off lights, build.
Thank you, dear teams, for your great participation. Now, dear learners, our next mission will come from your hearts. Now here we have Promise Street.
I promise, I save water.
Uh-huh. Thank you, Vika. Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
I promise to plant trees and flowers.
I promise to keep my surroundings.
Now, dear students, it's time for our self-reflection. Now we will do our self-reflection using Rose, Thorn and Barb method. Are you ready?
Yes.
Now, come.
I learned that throwing trash in the bin shows respect for our community and our planet.
Uh-huh.
I discovered that wasting water and electricity can damage our planet and increase global warming.
Uh-huh. Thank you. Now, describe something new that you want to learn again. Uh-huh. To learn again.
I want to learn again how society works because it was interesting to see how old people can become.
Now, on the button.
Let's see what we can do.
Սիրելի ներկաներ, բնորոշություն, ուսուցիչներ, ծնողներ եւ սիրելի աշակերտներ, այսօրվա դասը յուրատիպ էր այն առումով, որ լեզվական միավորը համատեղեց այն կարևոր թեմայի հետ, որը առնչվում է բնությունը պահպանելու, բնությունը սիրելու։
Հարգելի ուսուցիչներ, սիրելի երեխաներ, որպես ծնող ցանկանում եմ իմ փորի շնորհակալությունը հայտնել նման դասի համար։ Մեծ բավականություն է ձեզ դիտելը եւ այս դասից հետո, նմանատիպ դասերից հետո մեր երեխաները տուն են վերադառնում ոչ միայն գիտելիքներով, հարուստ բառապաշարով զինված, այլ նաեւ այն բարձր գիտակցությամբ, որ պետք է հոգ տանել բնության մասին, սիրել բնությունը, երկիր, մոլորակը առհասարակ։